I'm not old, okay? I'm still 16.
What?
I am.
Okay.
What's in this?
You gotta open it.
Wow.
Open it!
Let's see. Oh my god, it's so... What did you get?
The one Brazilians. Oh, see, that's how you're learning now.
Oh my god. What is it? Chocolates?
Yeah, chocolates. Open it up.
Because the company name, I don't...
You like chocolates? It's the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate, your favorite kind of chocolate.
Oh, okay, yeah.
What?
Yeah, I can use this.
What is it? I can't see.
I use Nana stuff. Nana stuff.
Nana
yeah?
stuff. Nana.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I remember you gave me 2 years back. Okay, let's see. Okay, wow.
What is this? Juniper berries, black pine hand wash.
You like berries?
Yeah, I do. This is hand wash. This is mouthwash.
Mouthwash.
Shower gel. I don't really, too fast.
And this is hair wash.
Show me.
Shower gel. You're going too fast, I can't see.
Sour gel.
Ah.
Sour gel, hand wash, blah blah blah. Thank you very much.